back to my channel. My name is Kyla Cheese and I'm back with another video. In today's video we are going to talk about Melanin hair care. So this is going to be a little unboxing video. I do not have all of my stuff. I'm missing the Twist elongating cream, but that is going to come October 2nd. So yeah, all I have is the conditioner and the oil blend. So we're gonna talk about it. This is what it looks like. Okay, I'm so excited. So this is the Melanin multi-use softening leave-in conditioner with nourishing baobab oil, turnip root, pro vitamin B5, and it also has this sticker here. If y'all see that, it says best of the best leaders in curl, naturally curly 2020 award winner. So these products actually are award-winning products, so that's really good to see. And it has no sulfates, no parabens, no silicones, no mineral oil, no phthalates, no formaldehydes. That's what it said, if y'all could see that. And the shelf life is 12 months. And this is a multi-use leave-in conditioner. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to talk about the products before I use them, and in another video you'll see me use them. So this is a multi-use softening leave-in conditioner, and you can use this for, let's see how to use. You can, it says apply to wet hair then rinse away. Leave-in, as a leave-in, apply to wet hair and proceed with styling to gently remove knots and shed hair. As a daily moisturizer, apply to hair and proceed with favorite oil blend to lock in the moisture. So this product, I have seen a lot of reviews on it. A lot of people like it. They use it for twist outs and such like that, but I don't have the Twist elongating cream yet. It's shipping, so yeah. And as you can see, it has her little signature, and this is her little message. It says, I hope you enjoy this soothing moisture-rich leave-in conditioner designed to soften, moisturize, and help repair your hair from inside out. Use to condition hair after cleansing, as a leave-in conditioner, as a detangler, and to regenerate. So this is a very, very big bottle. This is 16 fluid ounces, and it retails for about, I think 17 or $18. No, this is $18. I think it's 17 to 18, and I know this was 17 or $18. I'm not really sure which one was which, but I know one of these was 17 and one of these was 18. And the Twist elongating cream is $16. So yeah, these are very, very big bottles, worth the price, because every leave-in conditioner I have is not, yeah, it's not this size, and this is a very, very good size. So I really hope this works for me. I hope I did not waste my money. In all, I paid $59.60. No, I paid $59.50 or something like that. I have to look at my receipt, but I know it was like $59, and I don't remember the cents, but it was $59. So this stuff is expensive, okay? Luxury. You can also get this at Ulta and her website. All of her stuff was out of stock. Like I do want to try the shampoo, but the shampoo is out of stock. The shampoo is $20. Shampoo is $20, but it's also in a big bottle as well. It's a black soap shampoo. I've never used black soap on my hair, which is why I want to try it. But yeah, this has 7 uses, and I like how on her ingredient list, all the ingredients are listed on her website, and they tell you, if you click on the ingredient, it gives you a description on why it's good for your hair. So I like that as well on her website, so you can check that out as well. It's melaninhaircare.com. If you have Instagram, all you gotta do is just type Melanin Hair Care on Instagram and click the link in the bio if you have Instagram. But if you don't, then just type in melaninhaircare.com and it will pop up. The next thing is the Melanin Multi Pure Oil Blend. This is a very, very light oil, as y'all could see. This is infused with baobab oil, which is what I love. I love baobab oil because baobab oil is in my organics products, and it has argan oil and vitamin E. And this is also best of the best leaders in curl naturally curly 2020 award winner. So that's what this looks like. It's really, I just love her packaging. One thing I love about her packaging is that you can see how much product you're getting. Like, it's no double walls. The product is clear, so you can, the product bottle is clear, so you can actually see how much you have left, and you ain't gotta be guessing. Like, you know when you gonna run out. Like, I know it starts here, and when I run out, it's gonna be empty. So, and I'm gonna see that. I love the clear packaging, and I just like this oil. This oil just looks so, I don't know, I like it. This bottle is 8 fluid ounces, okay, and it was $17.99. So let's look at the ingredients. I did watch her one video, and she said she has safe synthetics. So, you know, pregnant women can use this. You can use this on your children. She uses this on her children. She uses this on herself as well. So I like that. This says no silicones, no mineral oil, no sulfates, no parabens, and no phthalates. This oil detangles, softens, and seals. So it says, I hope you enjoy this lightweight, non-greasy, nutrient-rich blend. One of my favorites, natural hair and body oils. Okay, so you can use this on your body as well. Didn't know that. Curated to help soften, detangle, seal, and lock in moisture into your hair strands while offering multi-beneficial vitamins and minerals. This lightweight oil works for many applications, helping you restore the health and manageability of your hair. Hope it helps you. How to use: a little goes a long way. As a sealant, massage it into wet, damp hair to help seal the moisture into your strands. Can be used before or after your favorite styling cream. You may add it to your favorite conditioner to help detangle. Can also be used as a hot oil treatment and add it to your favorite DIY recipes, or use as a body moisturizer after bathing. So I will definitely try this as a body moisturizer. I did not know you could use this on your body. I mean, it's oil, so you could probably, I may get me another one of these because you can use this on your body as well. I have not opened it yet, so I don't know what it smells like. Yeah, I haven't opened it yet. It's sealed, so I don't know what it smells like. I'm gonna do a smell test probably like when I actually decide to use it. The ingredients have sweet almond oil. I know sweet almond oil is one of her favorite oils. Avocado oil, sebacic acid, copolymer, I don't know what that is, jojoba oil, hydrangea argan oil, baobab oil, sage oil, and vitamin E, and safe synthetics derived from nature, so natural ingredients. Okay, so yeah, y'all, this is what I have from her line so far. I am going to order the shampoo as well once it gets back in stock. And I have the elongating cream coming on the way. I will do another video specifically about the elongating cream. And yeah, y'all, let me know if you have tried Melanin hair care, or if you will try Melanin hair care, or if you don't want to try Melanin hair care. Me personally, I wanted to wait until it came in stores because I was not finna pay $10 extra for shipping and handling. I know you lying. So I did get mine from Ulta. It is at Ulta. You can get it at Ulta. It might be sold out, but yeah, you can subscribe to the mailing list, the emailing list, and it will let you know when your product is in stock. That way you can pick it up. So yeah, y'all, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure your post notifications are turned on. That way you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.